This is the Springfield gas lift that a lot of people use for their dinette conversions in RVs. It comes with just this single big part and a bunch of stainless screws. They're big fat ones, like maybe 14s or something. You can see around the base there are nicely machined screw holes, and around the top there are slots. So you can screw directly into solid wood and allow for movement or adjustment, as the case may be. Underneath the base, it has slight indentations, and just one lock nut there, but not a lot going on. Made in China. And then people asked about the mechanism here. So just one-handed, it goes up pretty fast. Right? Not too bad. Right now, since there's no tabletop on it and it's up high, it's hard for me to push it down, but it pushes down pretty easily. So there you go. Easy to operate with one hand. That's nice and solid now. And this is adjustable. There's a knurled nut on this side, so you can tighten and loosen this very easily. So now harder to close. Now easier to close, right? So there you go. I hope that helps. Bye.